Now, since our credentials are ready, it's time to make our first mobile app. So, before making app, please make sure you have verified your design and you are logged in, because if we start making the build, that design will be making first. So I'll click on build. I'll click on, and you can make APK also for local testing, but I have the Apple developer account. So I'll start with the IPA and I'll click the app language as English, which is recommended. You can change it. You can also reach us out if you want to test your store. We might activate free trial for you. Now we just need to wait till our build is completed. Congratulations! Now we have completed our build and the duration is just 6 minutes. It's very easy. Now the next task is we can download the IPA file and save it. IPA. Okay. The way to upload the IPA so that you can see the app inside your app. So now to submit the IPA for distribution, what we need to do here inside the app development, you can see there is a way to submit to App Store, and I'll just submit it. Now our app is submitted, so we'll quickly test it. So I'll go inside the app and refresh it. Here you can see it's processing. It could take around 5 minutes to 4 hours anywhere. It depends totally if there is any free server to pick this command. So you just need to be patient for this. And if you want the manual way, which I showed, you can use it to quickly upload your IPA. Okay. So after it will process, I'll show the application inside the device. Now the status is complete, so we need to allocate a tester. So I'll click on internal testing. Let's add a tester. And now after opening the Gmail ID, you need to accept the invite and click on install. Now you can see we get the app up and running, which is completely working. Okay, also to submit the app you need to add other informations such as app information, privacy, and other things, which will you can find inside the guide. We'll update the guide so that you can submit every other details. Okay, after that you need to add this for review. After uploading the screenshots, you need to add this for review and submit it. Okay, so these are the things which we need to enter. That's all. It's easy. After the review about it under 1 week, and your app will be live on App Store. Okay, thank you for watching the video.